I've just accepted. Thank you, Dada. दादा पानी लेंगे, कुछ चाय लेंगे? पानी भी नहीं पूछा।
तो सर फर्स्टली वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट यू, आपका जो अपकमिंग कंटेंट है ऑन फ्रॉम शिमारो गिल्ड 3 के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको।
थैंक यू।
सबसे पहले आपसे जानना चाहेंगे व्हाट आर योर फीलिंग्स रिगार्डिंग द कंटेंट मूवी विच इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम शिमारो गिल्ड 3। व्हाट इज़ गिल्ड 3, व्हाट इज़ योर कैरेक्टर इन दैट? हमारी ऑडियंस को ब्रीफली थोड़ा बताना
So
चाहेंगे।
Guild 3 itself, the name itself tells it all कि guilt के बारे में ये है. It is about a father daughter and a stepmother's relationship, and how beautifully it was going on until there is this huge track comes in where everything just vanishes. So of course I don't want you to know everything from my mouth. I want you guys to watch it and then let me know how do you like it.
What did you like about the show? आपको क्या पसंद है कि आपने you wish to do that?
So it is always challenging जब आप अपनी एज से 10 साल छोटी लड़की का रोल प्ले करो. So that was very exciting for me. So I was really keen on doing something like that, and luckily now you guys will judge it and let me know whether I could do the justice or not.
एंड उससे पहले भी आपके जितने भी काम रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रखा है आपने। either we talk about TV or it's movies or series, wherever we can say your work has always been a remarkable. तो अभी जिस हिसाब से आपकी जो जर्नी चल रही है, हाउ यू आर चैनलाइजिंग योर प्रोफाइल इन कमिंग टाइम्स, किस तरीके से अभी आप इसको देख रहे हैं?
See, I am just doing what I like. I am just doing what I love, and there is no specific thing in my mind that I want to channelize my profile that way or this way. Whatever comes in naturally, I'm just doing it, and I'm enjoying every bit of it. So, yeah, that's how I feel.
After achieving such a height in your career, जिस तरीके से you have been nowadays in the industry like a low-key person you have become nowadays. It's very bare minimum where people see you in parties or any events.
Yeah.
So what's the reason behind it? Because पहले काफ़ी अच्छा खासा visibility रहती थी, हर जगह दिखना, अभी वो काफ़ी कम हो चुकी है. तो what is the reason behind it?
Because I feel happy being in my own zone. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपने काम पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना. क्रिएटिवली when I'm indulging myself or engaging myself, मुझे वो ज़्यादा खुशी देती है than to go to parties, decorate myself and show up for people. Doesn't really give me any happiness. So I am just doing what gives me happiness, and I'm living for myself, not for the world. So why should I be present everywhere? Yes, I definitely go out. I meet my very selective friends, which makes me happy. पर हर जगह मुझे ऐसा लगता है that जहाँ मुझे खुशी मिलेगी मैं वहीं जाऊँगी ना, क्यों हर जगह जाके अपना I mean, why?
Also, sir, I would like to know what else apart from guilt is there in a line.
So I have developed a concept, and from my production house, I am doing a film which will be out soon, and I will talk about it very soon, but not now.
जैसा कि आपने अभी जिक्र किया अपने प्रोडक्शन हाउस के बारे में,
जी.
so we'd like to know more about it कि क्या है actually, what is the startup that you have made it
So
by?
from my production house, mainly I started making music. I started making songs. Blackheart was my first song, and then I made 10 to 15 songs, and now 3 more songs are going on, which is in pre-production. Once they're out, I will definitely share with you guys.
Asking about ROI, is that a better plan to get in as in production, as in rather than being an actor?
No, I believe whatever gives me happiness, I'm just doing that. There is no specific, mindset कि मैं इसकी वजह से करी उसकी. But I believe being an actor, it is very important for you to secure yourself with something. That business you should have. So when these things are my hobbies and I can convert it into my business, why not? So this is what I'm doing.
Also, the summers are on, and you have a very influential personality on the social media. So, what are your plans to beat the heat in this summer season?
I mean, I am not running in any competition, honestly. I am just doing what gives me happiness. So social media को मैंने कभी भी उस हिसाब से use ही नहीं किया. लोग मुझे बोलते
No,
हैं
you didn't understand the question. What
Okay,
I was
what
asking.
it is.
I was asking about like what are your summer plans? Like how are you preparing yourself to beat the heat of this summer?
Okay, to switch on my AC.
No worries.
Okay.
Okay. Lastly, if you want to say anything to your fans and audience, like what it would be like. Let's
Thank you so much for being there, and thank you so much for always supporting. Keep supporting, keep loving. I love you guys.